This is the new Dbrand tank case, and this is my iPhone 17 Pro Max. I just made a video where I dropped this case 20 times on the hardwood floor inside my house, and then I posted that video, and someone was nice enough to share it on Mac Rumors, but then I saw this comment right here.
We need some asphalt drops. That floor looked kinda soft.
So,
challenge accepted.
I dropped this case an additional 20 times onto a concrete driveway, an additional 10 times onto asphalt inside a parking lot, and then an additional 10 times onto some pavers in my backyard. So in total, this case has been dropped 50 times, and we're gonna see all that footage right here. Actually see where the case fell down. These are the corners of the case making an imprint on the wood. Dropping from about a height of 5 feet. So that's 5 drops onto asphalt. Let's check damage. Any kind of new damage first. So no new damage that you can see. Most important parts I'm checking is the screen and the backside. And of course any of the edges. But so far I don't see anything obvious. Case looks fine. Ooh, that was straight onto the screen. Everything seems to be working. I noticed with a lot of these cases, when you drop on a corner, it seems to absorb a lot of the impact really well. Like you'll see a lot of bounces on the phone. So that's at least 8. That was straight on the camera back. Alright, so that was 10 total drops. You can see here, camera is still functioning. No obvious damage, other than all those pre-existing damage. The case itself is still intact. Alright, here's another surface that we're going to try, which is just concrete pavers. Unfortunately, I can't do slow-mo with all these shots. Sorry to get slow-mo with all the shots. I think this is number 6, 7, 8, 9, finally 10. Let's take it out, see if there's any damage. Camera still works. Right, so I just want to show you guys what the phone looks like after all of those drops. Again, this case has been dropped 50 times. This is the iPhone after that. This is the back, close up of the camera area. No broken glass. Top. One side. Other side. Glass. You see that camera still functions just fine. Screen works just fine. Now the only area there was some wear and tear, or some new wear and tear, is on the bottom. Let me just get my camera to focus. If you see right here, there's a small scuff, and then right there, another small scuff on the case. So after all those drops, I washed this case completely with some water and soap. This is what it looks like after 50 drops. It took a bunch of hits on the corners, and then when it did fall on the faces, it definitely took some impact around the edges right here of the raised lip. So you can still see some white marks from the cement ground. But case is still intact, no issues. Alright guys, if you liked seeing this case being dropped 50 times in different types of services, and you guys want to see any other case testing, let me know down in the comments what you want to see. If you want to see the full review of the Dbrand tank case, look at this video right here. Thanks for watching, I'll see you guys in the next one.